This is Stephanie from statisticshowto.com, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a box plot in Minitab. I've entered my data into two columns. I've got the grade that children are in, high schoolers, and I've got their GPAs in column C2, and I want to make a comparison between grades to see if there's any correlation between the grade a teenager is in and what their GPA is. I'm going to click Graph. Choose box plots from the graph menu. If your data is in the form of one quantitative variable and one group variable, then you're going to want to choose one Y and with groups. This is a pretty common format in statistics where I have my categories, my grades. I've got a category of 9, 10, 11 and 12th grade, and I've got the GPA, which is my numerical or my quantitative variables. So I'm selecting one Y with groups, which is the most common type of box plot you're going to come across. Click the OK button. In the graph variables box, you're going to want to choose your numerical or your quantitative variable. I'm choosing GPA, that's my numerical variable. Click the select button to move it across to the graph variables box. And in the categorical variables, that's my grades, my grade 9th grade, 10th grade, 11th grade and 12th grade. So those are my categorical variables. Click select to move it across. Click the OK button. And here's my box plot of GPA. You can see the spread of data in the 9th grade. The grades go from about 1.5 to 4.0. If you mouse over one of the boxes, you'll get some information about the interquartile range, which in this case is 2.2. It gives you the median, the Q1, the Q3, and it will tell you where your whiskers are. In a box plot, the box represents the interquartile range from Q1 to Q3, and the whiskers, these lines on the end, represent the other two quartiles. If you click on a number, it'll bring up the Edit Scale box. You can play around with these to see which kind of chart is best for you. Minitab is pretty good with the automatic options. It's unlikely you're going to want to change any of these, but you can change the font, the alignment. You can specify your labels, like I might want to change this to 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th to make it a little bit more distinguishable. Click OK. And there's my grade 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. It makes it a little more obvious they're categorical variables. This is Stephanie, and that's how to make a box plot in Minitab. Check out statisticshowto.com for more videos and articles on elementary statistics.